Let me tell you about a place I know of. If you want to know the meaning of too much fun, well, it was blessed by the good Lord up above. The best kept secret under the Florida sun. We pulled up.
This is Russ with First Class Motorcycle Tours. I want to thank you for watching our promotional video on our 6-day, 5-night Arctic escape to the Sunshine State with a 2-day stopover in Key West.
But there's something you need to understand. And before I even had a drink in my hand, she said, what happens here stays here.
This ride will encompass about 1,000 miles of some of the most scenic coastline of Florida. Several stops off with some breathtaking views. Our ride actually starts out in Central Florida. We head west, go down through the Gulf Coast area and visit several of the keys along there. Every night's stay is right on the ocean. We ride across Alligator Alley, where you'll get nose to nose with a live alligator. Go on an airboat ride, scenic walk through the Everglades on some paths, as you'll see here.
So I asked around and nobody knew. I guess what happens here stays here. Man, ain't that the truth?
A lot of history in Key West, Hemingway's home, Civil War forts, lighthouses. There's just so much to do in the Florida Keys. Sunrises and sunsets in the winter months in the Florida Keys are like no other. You will probably find yourself getting up early to watch the sunrise and staying up late to watch the sunset.
I remember a boat, the sandbar, and the beach, but I can't remember a thing in between. What happens here stays here. Man, ain't that the truth? I didn't bother asking, 'cause there were.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We do have special pricing available through our travel partner Amtrak for those people traveling with their motorcycles down from up north. Please call us on those prices. And we hope to see you on a First Class Motorcycle Tour this year.
If you want to know the meaning of too much fun, well, it was blessed by the good Lord up above. The best kept secret under the Florida sun. We pulled up, me and a friend of mine. She'd been there before, but it was my first time. I asked her if she thought we'd have fun, and she said all kinds. But there's something you need to understand. And before I even had a drink in my hand, she said, what happens here stays here. You'll see that it's true.